Hello everyone. In this video explanation, we are going to deal with the table analysis questions. Now, table analysis question is one of the 5 question types of the data insights section, and it will actually test your skill in understanding the information that will be presented in the form of a table and then answer some associated questions with it in yes or no, true or false, in some either or option. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, as you can see, there are 3 distinct elements in this type of question. There is a sorting section, and then there is the main table that will be given to you. And this is the third section. This is the third section that I talked about, where you will have to answer each of these questions, these 3 questions, in either a yes or a no. Remember, it's very important that there are no partial score for this type of questions like all other data insights questions. So you would have to get all the 3 answers correct in order to get a score in this question type. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Now, remember, when you are going to deal with this type of question, it's important to note that the table that you will have, this table, you should not spend too much time here. You can just look at all the important things that they are going to tell. So this is about Brazilian agricultural products, okay? And these are the products, these are the commodities. This is the production world share, production world rank, export world share, and export world rank. These are the things that you need to note initially, but if you spend too much time in understanding each aspect of the table, then you might not have enough time to complete all the answers in this section. So first, you just kind of have a cursory glance at the table. Don't spend more than maybe 15 or 20 seconds to understand each aspect. What are the information that they have, kind of presented, and then go directly to the questions. So let's look at the first question. No individual country produces more than 1/4 of world's sugar. So no country produces more than 25%. 1/4, right? 1/4 would be 25%. Okay. So what we need to do here, we need to sort the table by production world share. Okay. So let's go to sugar. For sugar, Brazil produces 21% of world sugar, and with production of 21%, it ranks 1, right? So if by producing 21%, Brazil ranks 1 in sugar production, it's not possible that any other country would produce more than 25%, right? So no individual country produces more than 1/4 of the world's sugar. This is correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. If Brazil produces less than 20%, so here also we need to sort the table by production. And since it's already done, we need not change anything. If Brazil produces less than 20%, so in these 5 commodities, Brazil produces pork, cotton, corn, chickens, and beef. For these 5 commodities, Brazil produces less than 20%. So if Brazil produces less than 20% of the world's supply of any commodity listed in the table, Brazil is not the world's top exporter of that commodity. But you see, for chicken and beef, although Brazil produces less than 20%, it still is the number 1 exporter in these 2 commodities. So the answer is incorrect, and we need to choose no. Okay, all right, let's go to the third option. of the commodities in the table for which Brazil ranks first in world exports. So we need to sort the table by export rank. Exports world rank. Okay, let's clear the drawings. Okay, so of the commodities in the table for which Brazil ranks first in world exports, so these are the five commodities: orange juice, coffee, sugar, beef, and chicken, where Brazil ranks first in world exports. Brazil produces more than 20% of the world supply. But again, we come across this too. Here, it ranks first in the world exports, but produces less than 20%. So this is also going to be no. This is how you need to tackle the table analysis question. A couple of points to remember is that you need to understand each of the questions very carefully, because sometimes the questions will be written in a very convoluted language and you might not understand what exactly the question is trying to say. But it's important that the more you practice, the better you will get at it. And these question types, you will need to understand these questions carefully and then match with the table, analyze the table information given in the table, and then choose the correct answer. All the best. Thank you.